Hello, welcome to a little devlog that I'm doing off the cuff before I go into work here. Welcome to my side project, even besides State of Oblivion, which is on hiatus as of right now. I do plan on finishing it, though it's been like a year since I last touched it. I do plan on bringing that to completion, to at least what I would call an MVP state, minimum viable product. Yeah, I've just been busy IRL with Kyrie Studios and just all the other jobs I've been doing to put money in the bank accounts. Anyways, this is my little, what I'm calling the Sci-Fi Shooty. It's a little shmup. And the big thing is I'm doing this project to learn multiplayer coding, replication mostly. Kind of started out as just a learning project, but now I want to do just a little more with it before I go back to State of Oblivion. So let me give it my name here. This is my beautiful placeholder UI here. Just playing with UPnP. Yeah, let's do like a little walkthrough of this project. Here I am in a little lobby. I can connect here on this other instance, and I can even ready up. I have some options here that I'll implement later, but right now I just have the endless waves, and there really isn't any difficulty settings yet. You just hop in here. So yeah, I just have the basics of the gameplay here. It's some spaceships that will shoot you, shoot them back. I think my other guy just died. As you can see here, if I can stay alive on this other guy. This guy died, this other instance of the game, so I'll respawn him. See, he's down here, player 2. It's a default for when people aren't named. So yeah, a lot of features are in so far. All the essentials for gameplay. I got all this placeholder art here. This beautiful Toy Story dog. That's a little melee enemy I'm playing around with. Here, let me get to the next wave. We are wave 3 is in progress. So yeah, they chase you around. Oh, okay, they're getting stuck over there for some reason. This guy's locked on to me though. There's a few issues with the behavior. If they lock onto player 2 who's dead right now, they'll get stuck over here. So it's like about half the enemies will randomly choose the other player and get stuck. I will be working on that next. It's on my little to-do list for what I'm calling the prototype stage. Yeah, so I can just keep going here for a few more waves and then it'll just end. There's currently no way to lose. You can just respawn as much as you like. Here, I'll try to die here, actually. There I go. So yeah, both of these guys can just respawn as much as they want. Eventually, you just beat the waves and you win. What else? I'll go over my plans real quick for what I'm gonna do before this is finished. See all the resources I've been looking at and my plans for the game. Just keeping it in Notion right now. So for the prototype, I'm gonna make a lose state so you can actually lose the game if you die enough. I need to implement a little cooldown so you can't immediately respawn once you die. I do have like a spectator mode that sort of works, but it doesn't like change targets. I might do that later because it works right now. Just there's like a little camera that locks onto a player that's left. This little thing. I do have sound effects working, as you probably heard, and yes, the enemy's dying. It's the Minecraft explosion. I just thought it was kind of funny using that. Yeah, eventually, I'll have all better sound effects, and I also want to put in some VFX, and I want to learn some shader code. I've decided just to make this look kind of pretty. So I'll be working on that next as well. Yeah, almost done. Yeah, I got some testing to do, and I think I mentioned this before, but the switching targets doesn't work very well when someone dies. So I gotta fix that. I should mention I do have stat tracking that works. It's just saving to a big dictionary. But, it all saves on the client, and eventually that would be written to a save file. And it can also be shared to the server for like, a little end of mission statistics screen. Yeah, so the MVP here, I don't want to go like crazy with this game just because I want to actually finish it this year. Hopefully like by summer I'll have it finished. That's what I'm thinking right now. So yeah, I want to either create my own sprites or just find like open source game art, make sure it all feels like it fits. Get all the VFX and audio in. There's a little problem with the health component, just how I'm handling damage right now, and the projectiles are not optimized at all. They're not object pooled, really. That's the big thing. So I'll have to optimize that later. But it works right now. I was thinking of like a little mission mode. You'd be able to do objectives. Yeah, pretty standard stuff for the rest of it though. Yeah, that's what I have so far. Hopefully in a few months, actually next month, by next month, I want to have a demo out that all my friends can play. So look forward to that. Thanks for watching.